Alex and I'm post-production on Casualty. It's probably the work environment and the team that I'm working with. It's just such a friendly place to work, and everyone's really kind and nice and very open to sharing what they know with me, so it's been lovely. So I was in for a week with Foley, which was really fun. So Andrew taught me how to use the desk and help him record footsteps and things like that. So I was in the room and he was recording the footsteps, and we did a thing where we recorded footsteps coming from far away and walking into frame and then walking away, and he left me with those to edit into the episode. So I actually ended up editing in some footsteps which made it into the actual episode, which was really cool. I'd say probably just how the sort of pipeline works in terms of like how the footage actually comes to the editors and how we process it and back it up, and it's just made me think a lot more about the sort of framework that there has to be for a production. I'd say it's more, I didn't really know what to expect from being an editor assistant, but there's more sort of odd jobs and little bits like that than I thought there would be, which is really good, and I like that, you know. There's been more, and there's been more to do. I've been really enjoying it. Just do it. Do it as soon as possible. And don't worry too much about it. Be yourself and just be professional, and that'll give you the best chance.